Okay guys, the story is of people who understand Afrikaans, but the people who talk in English. Okay, the story is so. Okay, once upon a time, Mary and her sister. Mary must buy clothes for her sister, but her sister said, there's one is little. No, that one is the big. No, that was not the right. So the one, and then Mary's sister died. Okay, there's the funeral is Mary's sister's name. Okay, okay, Mary's sisters come tonight to our house. Mary, I am in your I'm in your yard. Mary, I'm at your door. Mary, I'm in your house. Mary, I am in your um sitting room. Mary, I am in your castle. Mary, I'm in your toilet. Mary, I'm in your room. Mary, I'm in your second room. Mary, I'm in your other room. Mary, I'm knocking at your door. Mary, I am I am coming in your room. Come in your room. Mary, I am sitting on your bed. Mary, I'm at your feet. Mary, I'm at your body. Mary, I'm at your face. Here I am. The story, like and subscribe if you like the story. And in the comments, are you scared? Say I am scared. And thank you guys for listening. And that's like talking, but nobody likes me. I'm just a fucking bitch. No one subscribed, no one liked me. Guys, thank you.